Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to basically erase the password or reset the password on the extreme networks MLX. I mean BR MLX MR2-X, which is a management model. So my customer, he sent me the unit. He want me to upgrade the code on the firmware code on the management based on his configuration or based on his chassis. So I need to match that code in the code running on the management on the chassis. So I believe something happened with the backup management. So they just need to a management that just use insert into the chassis and plug and play. They don't want to upgrade any firmware. They really send me specific instruction to upgrade the code to this particular firmware code. So we are doing that. So basically, there is a password on the unit. So I will reset the password first, and after that we are executing the firmware upgrade. Let me power cycle the chassis. So chassis is booting. We need to press B right here, right there. So the unit start booting then, and then we just type no password. No password. Boot. Boot system flight primary is the right code, the right instruction. Boot system flash primary, meaning that boot from the primary code. In some MLX unit, they support primary and secondary code. And in order to upgrade the chassis, we need about like maybe five files. We need the boot code, the monitor code. We need the primary application, and we need to upgrade the M-bridge or the FPGA. That's only for the management. So you have different interface model. There is a different way to upgrade. It's basically the same, but there is different way to upgrade that. I will show you later how to execute that procedure. For now, we are just focused on this. Show version. So that's the version running on the unit. My customer wants a different version, so we are going to execute that. And obviously we need erase the complete configuration in here. So in order to erase the configuration, erase, startup, config, enter. And I will recycle the unit just to keep a management clean of configuration. I don't need anything that bothers the installation process. So I will restore the unit. Reload. Yes. So the unit complete reboot with a clean configuration. We erase all the configuration on the unit. So enable. Show version. Just let me check the version just one more time. If this is the basically the boot code, this is the monitor code, and this is the primary. And so we are going to upgrade the code to the version 0.63Z. So basically we need to transfer everything from the TFTP server to flash. So we need to assign an IP address to the management interface. So interface management 1 IP address 192.168.0.79-24 and enable to enable the interface. So exit and write the configuration, write mem. Perfect. So let's check if we have connectivity with my TFTP server. Not yet. Let's check. Take a while to respond for sure. Yeah, and finally it's responding. So we are going to copy the first file first, which is the monitor code, which basically is the same in this version. It's basically this one right here, the boot, but I don't know why, but that's how the engineers on Extreme Networks design that particular code, that particular version. So copy TFTP to flash 192.168.0.102 and the file name, which is paste.bin, and we need to boot enter, and this will take couple minutes. It's very fast. They're small files, they are not that big. So that's the first one. So now we need to copy the monitor code. This is a different SMB. You have that here. Yeah, it's here. Copy the new file. That's a different name, and that's look the version 2 monitor, and then delete first to delete the other one. So that will remove the monitor flash and upgrade the second one. Now we are going to execute the copy the primary code, and that primary code is XMR. It's this one right here. The same, basically the same command, just we just change the file name, paste primary, and delete first, and enter. This will take this is a bigger file. It will take about like 3 minutes, maybe something like that. So, and after that, we are going to execute a copy or upgrade the FPGA for the management. The file, is something like an Enbridge underscore 06300C, and your extension, change between. There is a difference between the management and interface module. I will make a video after that how to upgrade the interface modules as well. So the process is already done. So we need to copy TFTP Enbridge 192.168.0.102 and the Enbridge file name, which is let me see, I have it, ls.l, and it's this one right here. Copy, paste. That is the file for the FPGA on the management. Enter. So basically, the process is complete right here. So now we just review that what we're doing is this is we upgrade the boot code on the management, which is the file right there, this one, and then we upgrade the monitor code, which is this one right here, and then after that we upgrade the primary image, which is this one right here. Right, and then we upgrade the FPGA, which is basically this file right here. This only for the management. So I will reload the unit and check if the new firmware is already there on the management. So reload. Yes. this will take a few minutes, couple minutes maybe. So the unit the unit complete. Let so basically the unit already boot. Let's double check. Show version. Show model. To check the line cards on the chassis. There is no line card at the moment. Show chassis. And there we go. So basically, this is the chassis that we have. It's just an MLX-E forest log chassis. And this is the management module on the chassis right here. And the codes, boot, monitor, primary code, and then one fabric switch right there, and two power supply. There are different 1200 and 1800 watts power supply, and basically that is how do you show flash to check if there is another code on the unit. And still, there is a few codes in there, like this one right here. It's still there, but the most important thing right now is that you need boot with a new code, the code with the customer wants. I will make another video in which I will insert, the line cards on the chassis in order, to upgrade the code, because sometimes the customer wants that also line card match the firmware code on the chassis. Why? Just to avoid any interruption, on the network. You can reboot just the module. With a specific command LP boot system primary, and I don't remember right now the whole command, but it's you can reboot just the module. But if when the engineer receive a line card on the chassis with a different code, the line card it won't boot. That will cause some kind of issue thing maybe, and then they need to upgrade the code to that particular card. So they ask me, can you please install this particular code on my line card, and just send me the line card. They just insert the line card and the chassis and immediately boot. That is the difference. So that is what exactly we do here at SFB Network. And thank you so much for your time, guys. I really appreciate it. Today is Friday, and have a nice weekend. Thank you so much. I see you in the next video.